Hello everybody, today I'm doing a review on a wireless doorbell made by AVANTEK, sold by Plemo UK on Amazon. This is the pack it came in. Now let's open it and see what's inside. As I said, it's a wireless doorbell. This is it has two receivers. Yeah, that's it. This is a user manual. Two receivers, which lights up. UK plug, volume button, and also to change the chimes. It has 36 different chimes that you can change to, like musical bells that you can change to. 36. This is the bell itself. It's placed outside. It lights up as well. Screw and sticky pads. Now, the functions of the doorbell: it has a one-touch, two plug-in receivers. As I said, LED flashlights. It has a very loud CD quality Chimes. You can reduce the volume. It doesn't use any batteries. No batteries required. It can also pair multiple devices. This is actually waterproof. The button is actually waterproof. It has a waterproof rating of IP45, weatherproof as well. LED nightlight function on the light here, which I'm gonna show you briefly. If I may. Now, that's the LED night light, the LED light. So it lights up, and you can switch off the light if you want. You can switch off the light. It has a very loud musical chime, which you can increase or decrease the volume. Very easy to pair. So that's about it. I like it because, can you hear that? And the light flashes. The light actually flashes when it rings. So let's press it again. That's it. It's quite loud. You can change the chime, you can change the music on it, you can increase the volume, and you can decrease it. That's about it basically. Waterproof, no battery needed, long distance up to 656 feet, wireless range, easy connectivity. So that's about it. I like it. I'm going to leave the seller's Amazon web link at the bottom of the video. So if you're interested, click on the video. Thank you. Bye bye.